Alright, so in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Alienware 17R9 with the i7. I'll show you how to dismantle it to change either a hard drive, RAM, or your GPU and CPU, of course. I won't go too much further into detail. If you want to know more, just leave me a comment. If you need to know how to take something apart, I'll go further into detail. So I'll flip her around. I already took the screws out on the back panel, so I'm just going to point them out real quick. This laptop is like 8 pounds. It's very heavy. It's very well built though. So those are the screw locations. Alright, so I'm going to start by taking the RAM out. There's 2 slots, DDR3 RAM. Then we'll go ahead and remove the screws for one of the hard drive compartments. There's the shield, and it reveals the hard drive. What you'll want to do is you'll want to pull up a little bit on the corner of the hard drive because it doesn't really slide backwards like most of them do. You'll have to do a combination of up and back. As you can see, I just tried sliding it normally, didn't come out, had to lift. There you go. Set that aside. Alright, I should have started with the battery, but let's get her unplugged. Normally you always want to start with the battery. I just didn't think about it. Most of them have a battery externally, not internally. Alright, so this is the hard drive bay number 2. Oh, forgot a screw. There was no hard drive under that one. And we'll take out the CPU fan, because on that side is the CPU. Now in this in this model, it's a mobile CPU. I know in lots of the Alienwares they have a actual desktop socket in there now. Now I'll go ahead and take off the GPU fan, which is on the other side. Three screws per fan, and there's a little connector you just gotta pull out. Now keep in mind, this is my very first YouTube videos, so I got lots of stuff to learn. If you can leave me some comments on what I should do better or change or do if I didn't do something. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the heat sinks. Start with the CPU side. there should be 4 screws on that one. Let's turn the volume down in case there's echo. Alright, set that aside. Now we'll go on to the GPU side. Now, the GPU in these systems are removable. You can actually change them. They are a custom socket, so you won't find something that you can just buy on the shelf. You kind of got to order it from Alienware / Dell. This one in particular is the R9 4GB AMD. A lot of power. A replacement like this one is approximately $100 on eBay. And it is fairly easy to change. After you get that one screw out, it's actually going to pop right up on its own. And it's kind of inserted like a RAM chip, angled 45 degrees, and just give it a little pull. And there you have it. And to put it back in, you just do the reverse. I'm just checking it out real quick, make sure there's nothing burnt on it, because this particular model has an issue. Everything seems good on it. You can check out the back, make sure there's no burns. And yeah, that's about it for taking apart the Alienware 17 R9. Hope you enjoyed the video and leave me a comment. Thanks.